Hi guys!
Hello.
I'm Bethany and this is my son,
Avery.
Welcome to the Diamond Art Show. So, we went to the Dollar Tree again. You guys, we cannot get enough of these freestyle diamond painting projects. This one is really crazy, you guys. What are we gonna do here, Avery?
Well, we're going to be diamond painting those sunglasses.
If you can see, there's a nice large rim here. So I'm thinking of putting diamonds, white ones, around the outside here, and then coming back to about here with bright pink, like Barbie color pink. Will I actually wear these out in public? What do you think, Avery?
Well, I think that we should get to it.
You want to get to it already? I can't see without contacts or glasses, you guys. So I can't see you at all. You notice how these are kind of like cat eyes. I would have never worn cat eye glasses. My three favorite colors are white, black, and Barbie pink. I love those three together, and so these will be perfect for me. So I don't know if they're gonna turn out. I think they are. I'm excited to try this. There's something that happens when you're 40 and over where you just want to have fun. And now you start doing stuff that you want to do. You start wearing stuff that you like. Maybe your little quirks will come out and you'll want to show your personality more. And so in this case, it's these glasses. So what do you think, Abe?
Well, I think it's time to put on the sticker. But before that, just wanted to show you guys one of my newest designs. It's one of the trading cards that's out of my Lovers bundle. And Mom put this all together. Doesn't that look beautiful?
It is beautiful. And it's just the right size for like kids' Valentines at school. Or I want to give Valentines to my friends. So I think what I'm going to do is the next order that I get, I think I'm going to put this in the order.
Oh, yeah.
And then maybe I'll just sign the back. Anyways, I just think these are the perfect size. You can get them done in like an hour. I love, 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 love. Really, I'm not just saying that because it's Avery. So, sticker time. I can't wait till this board is filled up. A shiny pearl. Are those AB drills?
Yep, you got AB drills on them. So.
I love that you can just use whatever drills that you want for these stickers. Nobody can tell you what to do.
It doesn't have to be a blue oyster. It could be a gray one, a green one, red one, whatever you want.
Okay, see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, hi, Avery.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Good.
Those look nice.
will you be ashamed of me if I like go out with some diamond painting sunglasses on?
I think you've done weirder things.
All right. Gotta love your kids that tell you the truth.